Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making some buttermilk pancakes. Now everyone knows pancakes are a classic for breakfast, but now you'll be able to make your own from scratch, and the secret is in the buttermilk. So, let's get started.
For the ingredients, you're gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 1 large egg that you're going to lightly beat, 1 cup of buttermilk, and then 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, plus some additional for serving and greasing the pan or griddle. And then finally, a dash or 2 of vanilla extract. Alright, so to get things started, you're going to take a large sized bowl, then you're going to whisk the flour, the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. You're going to mix that until it's well combined. Also, make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can see a sneak peek of what recipe is coming next Friday. Now, in a different bowl, you're going to whisk together the egg, the buttermilk, the melted butter, and the vanilla extract, and you're going to mix those until they're well combined as well. This will create what I refer to as the egg mixture in the recipe. So now you're going to pour this egg mixture into the dry ingredients all at once, and you're going to stir it until it's well combined. The batter you create will be thick and should have some small lumps. You don't want to overmix this batter, otherwise you'll create a really tough pancake. So this is the consistency you're looking for with your batter. Heat up either a frying pan or a griddle over medium-high heat, or about 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an electric griddle to cook the pancakes with. And for using electric griddles, you're going to want to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or at medium heat. So before you start cooking any of the pancakes, you're going to want to lightly brush or spray the cooking surface with melted butter or oil. Using a ladle, you're going to pour about 1/4 cup of the pancake batter onto the hot surface. And you're going to space the pancakes out at least 3 inches apart from one another. When the bottoms of the pancakes have slightly browned, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes, and you start to see bubbles form along the top surface, you can turn the pancake over. All it should take is 1 quick flip, and then you're going to want to cook the other side of the pancake until it's slightly browned as well, which should take just about another minute or 2. So you're going to repeat this with the remaining batter that you have left, and you just want to make sure that before you start cooking the pancakes, you're going to spray or brush the cooking surface with melted butter or oil again between the batches. You can now serve these immediately with butter and maple syrup or your favorite type of jam. Also, make sure to check out my blueberry cake recipe. It's another great breakfast dish that you can make at home. And as you can see, there's nothing to it. You just created a classic breakfast staple for every kitchen. This recipe turns out some fluffy, delicious pancakes that'll be gone as soon as they're ready. And a tip for those that are making the pancakes in advance for a larger breakfast and you want to keep them warm, all you'd have to do is put them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven set to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and they'll be warm and ready for you whenever you want to take them out. As always, this recipe and many more are available in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week when we release another great recipe. And until then, peace.